We will start explanation. Lesson 6. The name of the lesson, Our Clothes. Yesterday I explained you need of clothes. We need clothes. Seasons and clothes. Summer, winter, the rains, today we will start fibers of clothes. Our clothes are made from three kinds of fibers. Animal fibers, wool and silk are animal fibers. We get wool mainly from sheep and camels. We get silk from silkworms. Animal fibers, wool and silk are animal fibers. We get wool mainly from sheep and camels. We get silk from silkworm. Underline the word fibers means a material or a substance that is made from natural or artificial thread. Underline the word wool. Wool means the soft, thick hair of sheep. Silk means soft, smooth cloth that is made from thread produced by a silkworm. The fibers of some animals are used to make wool and silk. Wool we get from sheep and camel. Look at the picture. Wool we get from camel and sheep. We get silk from silkworm. Underline the word means a small creature with a soft body and legs. A caterpillar that produces very thin thread. And silk we get from silkworm. This is silkworm. Okay, ये क्या है? रेशम का कीड़ा है और इसके द्वारा हमें सिल्क कपड़ा बनता है. ओके क्लास. Plant fibers. Number 1, cotton, jute and flax are plant fibers. Cotton clothes are of light weight and absorb sweat. 3, jute clothes are strong. Flax clothes are heavy but soft. Underline the word cotton, a natural cloth or thread made from the thin white hair of the cotton plant. Underline the word jute. Jute is a strong fiber made from a plant. Flax. Underline the word. The thread made from the stalks of the plants used to make linen. Absorb. Underline the word. To take in and hold something. Sweat. To produce liquid through your skin because you are hot weather, ill. Class, this is cotton plant. Okay, we get cotton, jute and flax from plants fiber. Okay class, this is cotton plant. Cotton clothes are made of lightweight and they can circulate air in our body. Cotton clothes are comfortable for summer season. They absorb sweat easily. Third, jute clothes are strong. This is jute clothes. Jute clothes are very strong. Okay. Flax clothes are very heavy but soft. Okay, look, this is flax cloth. Okay, next point, synthetic fiber. Underline the word synthetic. Made by a chemical process, not natural. Nylon, rayon, polyester and acrylic are example of synthetic man-made fibers. Underline the word man-made. Man-made means made by people. Nylon, polyester, acrylic are example of synthetic fibers. Look at the picture. Synthetic fiber. This is synthetic fiber. Okay class, इस तरह के फाइबर से डिफरेंट टाइप के क्लोथ्स रेडी किए जाते हैं. ओके. Good habits. We should always wear neat and clean clothes. 2. Our clothes should be well ironed. 3. We should not wear too tight or too loose dresses. 1. It is a good habit to wear neat and clean clothes. हमें हमेशा कैसे कपड़े वेयर करने चाहिए? नीट एंड क्लीन क्लोथ्स. नंबर 2, वी शुड ऑलवेज वेयर वेल आयरन क्लोथ्स. और कैसे? आयरन किए हुए ड्रेसेस. ओके क्लास. नंबर 3, वी शुड नॉट वेयर टू टाइट और टू लूज dresses. We should always wear clothes that are not too tight and not too loose. Okay class? Good habit means we wear नीट एंड क्लीन क्लोथ्स. हमारे क्लोथ्स कैसे होने चाहिए? साफ़ होने चाहिए, क्लीन होने चाहिए. सेकेंड पॉइंट, हमें कैसे ड्रेस वेयर करने हैं? जिन ड्रेसेस पे आयरन हो, प्रेस करा हो वो. ओके. फिर थर्ड थिंग, नॉट वेयर टू टाइट और टू लूज ड्रेसेस. ना ज़्यादा टाइट हो और ना ज़्यादा लूज हो. Okay, very good. Reading and explanation is finished. Now we start writing question answer. Now start writing question answer. First write lesson 6, date, which day doing this work, class work, question number 1, name, first letter is capital. Two things that clothes protect us from. Okay, written question number 1. Write down answer in new line. Answer. One, cold, first letter capital. 2, rain. Okay class, repeat question number 1. Name 2 things that clothes protect us from. Answer, cold, rain. Question number 2. Why should we wear dark colored clothes in winter? Question mark. Written question number 2. Very good. Answer. Answer 2. Dark colored. Cloth. Retain. Body. Heat. So. We should wear dark colored clothes in winter. Okay class, complete question number 1 and 2. Very good. Repeat once again. Question number 1. Name 2 things that clothes protect us from. Answer: cold. Number 2, rain. Let me repeat with spelling. N-A-M-E, name. T-W-O, 2. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. T-H-A-T, that. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. P-R-O-T-E-C-T, protect. U-S, us. F-R-O-M, from. Okay, answer 1. C-O-L-D, cold. 2. R-A-I-N, rain. Okay class. Question 2. W-H-Y-S-H-O-U-L-D, should. W-E-V. W-E-A-R, where. D-A-R-K, dark. C-O-L-O-U-R-E-D, colored. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. I-N-N W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Okay class, write neat and clean. Okay, press your pencil. Answer 2. D-A-R-K, dark. C-O-L-O-U-R, color. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. R-E-T-A-I-N, retain. B-O-D-Y, body. H-E-A-T, heat. S-O, so. WEVSHOULD should. WEAR where. DARK dark. COLOURED colored. CLOTHES clothes. In WINTER winter. Okay class. Question number 1 and 2 complete. Good. Let's revise word meaning lesson 6. Word meaning. NEED need. Need means आवश्यकता. 2 HABIT habit means आदत. 3rd SEASON season means ऋतु. 4th BITE bite means काटना. 5th SILK silk WORM worm silkworm means रेशम का कीड़ा. 6th LOOSE loose means ढीला. 7th LAYER layer means परत. 8th express 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 means व्यक्त करना. 9th MAINLY mainly means मुख्य. Okay class. Okay class. It is complete question number 1 and 2. Today's homework, write and learn question number 1 and question number 2 on your notebook. Class, आपका वर्क कंप्लीट है 1 to 5. आप उसकी फ़ोटो लो और उसे मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे सेंड कर दो. ओके क्लास 1. वेरी गुड. आफ्टर दिस वर्क गो टू द वॉशरूम एंड वॉश योर हैंड. बी रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट पीरियड.